Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video from Pix Universe. Today we have for you the expander toolkit. The expander tool is used to expand pipes to make plumbing connections. It has steel construction for reliability and strength. Metal frame and gear mechanisms ensure the utmost durability. Let's go over the steps on how to use this tool. First, you're going to put lubricating grease on the expansion tool before you start on anything, on the tip right here like that. On to the next step, we're going to choose the appropriate expansion head. So in this case, we're going to be using 3/4 inch, and then we're going to put them together. And there you go, you have it like that. On to this next part, we're going to need expansion rings or fittings. These are on our website at pixuniverse.com. If you don't have any, you can buy them off, and I'll grab one now. They look something like this right here. For this next part here, we're going to need a pipe cutter. If you don't have one, we have one on our website at tubings.com. You can check them out. And you want to cut the pipe according to whatever size you want. So in this case, we're going to cut it like a little bit for demonstration purposes, like this. For this final part, we want to take the expansion ring here and put it in the tube, just like that. And the expander tool, you want to make sure it's at a 90-degree angle at all times before starting anything. And you want to put the expander tool in the tube, and then you want to expand all the way, just like that, all the way. In the expansion toolkit, we have the expansion tool here, starting off with this big guy here. Next we have here is the lubricating grease right here for the expansion tool tip. We have the 1/2 inch expansion head right here. And then we have the 3/4 inch expansion head. And then we have the 1 inch expansion head. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to check out our other videos and our social media at the end of the video and in the description below. And I'll see you guys next time.